Let's make chocolate fudge cake. Hello and welcome to another recipe of my Sunday series. So today we're going to be making the super delicious chocolate cake, but it's not on the cakey side, it's more like a brownie fudgy cake. It's super delicious, so easy to make, and it doesn't have a lot of flour or cocoa powder in it, but a lot of melted chocolate. So let's make it. First thing first, we need to soak our sultanas with some cherry syrups. You can add any other syrups if you like, but this one is really good. Toast your hazelnuts and then add your soft butter and sugar and mix it until light and fluffy, and start adding your egg yolk one by one while mixing. Once that is done, set it on the side, and then your egg white, you need to mix them until completely light, like a cloud sort of texture. Put them on the side and then start melting your chocolate. Once your chocolate has melted, add it slowly while mixing because you don't want to cook the eggs, and you should get this really good mousse consistency. Add a bit of flour and cocoa powder, and then some of those toasted hazelnut that we put on the side. We blend them until they turned into a powder, and then we add it all together. As I said, there's not much of flour going on or a powder. Add it in the mix and then keep mixing. Now at this stage you need to be very quick, because if your room is cold, your chocolate is going to start to set. As you can see here, it's starting to set really quick. Fold in your egg white really gently, and then once that's done, add your flavored sultanas, mix and add it in your cake tin, followed by your toasted hazelnuts and a bit of rosemary sugar that we made early on, which had a really nice flavor. Now don't worry if the screen is going too quick. This recipe with full instructions is already on my website, and then link is in my bio, so go and check it out. Bake your cake until it's ready, wait 10 minutes and then slice it and enjoy. See you next week with another recipe.